eye to eye, face to face. I don't want to miss these occasions, and thanks to Vamsi Garu for making this happen. It's always a pleasure to be here, and the two with our Mass Maharaja, Ravi Teja Garu. I go back in my memories. I think it was 2005, 2006 shock film. It was almost 20 years memories I go back. Today I speak like a fanboy. I want to share my fanboy moments with him. If Karthi was here, if Jyotika was here, and they would be speaking much more than what I can share, because they have spent personal moments, a lot of moments with him. When I take his name at home, be it Karthi, be it Jyotika Garu, or be it Gnanavel, or any friends from the industry, when I say take Ravi Teja Garu's name, it's not a smile, but it's a laughter. They have a lot of things to share. They only laugh and share so many incidences which they have had together. As a fan, I should say this. If explosive energy has a human form, then it is Ravi Teja Garu here. And lots of respect to all the fans here, his fans here assembled here for been celebrating him for so many decades. This bond is beautiful to see each other giving this love, unconditional love for so many years is so nice. I think he's the best when he brings the common man to life on screen and make them king size. And nobody else, I think, makes it as real and as convincing as possible. I think Ravi Teja Garu, he does that with so much ease. He brings the native culture, native touch, and he gives the best to those characters and makes the common man live king size, I think, on screen. Been a big fan of his work. And also, to me, laughter is the toughest and the greatest art form. And he does that with his own ease. He's got his own way of entertaining audience for decades, entertaining the gallery for so many years. And he has made millions of Telugu audience laugh. Manasara sirikradhu solluvaanga. Adu vandu varsha kanakka adu pannittu irukkarna. It's not easy at all to do this repeatedly for so many years. So even in here, there in Tamil, be it Idiot, be it Kick, of course,